Are you using more tape than a mummy to get through your training and games or managing pain and injuries that won't resolve? Kinesio tape is believed to work with the fascial system by stimulating mechanoreceptors in the skin and fascia. The tape's gentle pressure and tactile feedback can help with pain signals, changing the tension elements of fascia, allowing the superficial fascia more space to slide and glide. However, if you are relying on it to stabilize your ankle, you are not going to be so lucky. Study shows that after 45 minutes of activity, the mechanical protection will be rendered useless. Once you understand that Kinesio tape is just like an external fascia, why don't you make your internal fascia better, so that it will be good at processing pain signals and optimizing your myofascial force transmission? If you are feeling the benefit and want more professional results, DM me natural to see if you are a good fit to become Hyperarch fascia driven and glutes dominant like the elite naturals from the fascia perspective.